Yeah, I know what you're saying. My hair is a complete mess. I understand. Working on, gotta get a haircut, I know. Anywho, we're gonna be working on the Jeppo here, because it's been a long time since I posted anything. And it's summer, technically not, but not too sure where we left off with it. Might have to go back and watch some old YouTube videos of mine, but that's the goal, you know. Alright, I looked at the footage, and it seems to be going forward problems, which I would believe. And steering is broken, so there's a lot to be done. It's gonna be a couple days for sure. I think first things first, what I'm gonna do is take the whole jet assembly off, so I can just gut the entire thing apart from the servo here. Did I just keep that from my old? I did. That was a bit dumb. We'll do like a, not time lapse, more of a montage, because time lapse get a bit boring. Yeah, that took me all day to build that drive shaft. It's not a drive shaft, now I gotta work on getting the impeller onto the new shaft and then steering. Then we're golden. I'm like 2 days into this. Yep. Alright, so I think it's day 5, I think. I don't know. And it worked pretty well on the pool. I had little to no right steering. I only had left steering. And it looks like it has a bunch of power, which is not a bad thing. And there's a couple holes in the back of it that are meant for screws, but I left them out because they're just a pain to get in and out when you have to take the jet assembly off. So I'm gonna go back there, fill it with some silicone, and that should stop it from filling up with water. And then we're gonna print the top cover for it, the lid, because water also gets in through there. It's such a low down in the water boat, which is kind of inconvenient. Anywho, so I'm gonna go print the cover, get the steering working, and then take it to a bigger body of water, I guess. Yeah, so let's go do that. What are the odds it just floats like that? Yep. Well, I got a haircut. Anywho, today was not good. So, as we've seen, the boat worked fairly well. I got some pretty terrible shots, so I'm really sorry about that. And then decided to just, quit and try to sink. I'm going to talk about how the water got into the jet boat in the first place. So, on the jet assembly, there's 4 screws, 2 in the top, 2 in the bottom. And I didn't put the bottom ones in because they're a pain in the ass to fit them in. So, instead of doing that, I just filled the holes with hot glue and called it good. I knew there was a bit of a leak there. It wasn't too major, so I let it slide for just today. Of course, I wasn't assuming the motor was going to quit on us, but I put some silicone on the inside, which didn't stop it. So I gotta, really go in there and put some silicone. And water was getting in through there, so that caused a problem, which obviously caused it to sink and sit up like this in the water for a good half an hour or 45 minutes. Other than that, ESC works, battery works. I don't know about the servo, the motor, the receiver works fine. There will be a part 2 in the boat, guarantee it. Probably at a different lake though, because I just don't want to go back to that lake. Got a couple of other projects, so like and subscribe if you want to see those. And other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. If you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.